I am Catrice Angelique Siradigo and I am also from Ocaña National High School. So, this is for Mansurona. So, knowing that you've been leading a large group of people, how do you stay adaptable in the face of change, ma'am?
Okay, thank you for the question, Miss. For leading a big school, it's really challenging. But with school-based management, which is participatory governance, of course, we practice shared leadership. That means we have to ensure that everybody, all the stakeholders in our school are part of the decision-making process. So which means this involves, of course, our teachers, we have our faculty club, all the teachers, and of course we have our youth, the student leaders like the SSLG, the YESO, the BKD, and all the other youth organization, and of course our parents, the SGC and the SPKA. So everything becomes a lot more transparent where everybody is empowered because of this shared governance. Am I answering the question?
Alright, thank you so much, Ma'am Lorena, for that. A big hand to Ma'am Lorena for that answer. Okay, so we have already catered 2 questions from Ocaña National High School, if I am not mistaken, correct? So I guess this time, we'll have to accommodate a question from other schools. You're from elementary high school, girl? Elementary, very good. Come here, come to Mama. Alright? Sige. Introduce your name.
Hello everyone, my name is Grade 7 Mendoza. I'm Jean Grade 7 Mendoza. And I'm from Ocaña Central Elementary School. Para Mr.
Okay, sige na.
How does winning affect the students and the teachers' well-being?
Okay, let me read it again, no? So you're from Ocaña Elementary School, na? How does winning affect or effect, no? How does winning impact the students and the teachers' well-being? So, Sir Rantiwati had won the waste management, the most outstanding program implementer on waste management. And how does it impact the teachers and students? Is that what you're trying to say? Alright, sige, sir. Thank you, girl.
Good morning, young journalists. How does our winning in the division affect or impact the division of Gargar City